Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to back up your designs in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So when you're designing in Canva, you've probably noticed that every time you make an edit or something, your designs are being saved, all changes are being saved. You can see here on this little cloud tab. But if you want an extra level of security, if you're worried about losing a design, you can back up your designs by downloading them onto your computer. So once you've finished editing, give your design a name and you can create a folder on your computer. So when you're ready, click on share and click on download, and then you're going to choose the file type. So what sort of design are you working on? If it's image heavy, you probably want to choose PNG. Canva is really good like this. It will always suggest to you the best format to download it in. Or if it's text heavy, you might want to download it as a PDF. When you're happy, click on the format, click on download and save your design on your computer. So that's how to back up designs in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.